Today I am going to show you how stupidly easy it is to safely create viral shorts without any copyright or reuse content issues. First, let's grab some clips from TikTok. You can search for oddly satisfying clips all over TikTok and download them in HD format using Publer or s-sdok.io. I will go through and download all the clips I need. Just download the clips without the watermark. Once finished, drop the clips one by one into CapCut, then trim the clips to 2 seconds long and speed them up. Just make sure to extract and delete the sound from the clips. Most persons already have knowledge on how to use CapCut, so I will speed up the clip trimming part. Once finished, highlight and compose them into one single clip to get something like mine. For this demonstration, I will use this channel as a competitor. Just look for a viral story to use as reference. To show you that it's monetizable, I will copy the link and use this site to check the channel status. I'm going to pick this viral short to create something similar.
A father came back home from work, and when he reached his house, he found his 4-year-old son standing, waiting for him at the door.
Now go up to the URL and replace shorts with video. This will take you to the transcript option. Shorts with hashtags will attract a lot of remixes, giving other channels millions of views. Just scroll down and click transcript, and I will copy all of it. Now I will head over to Perplexity AI and type this command. Take inspiration from this transcript and create another viral sad story. Make sure it's the same length as the original, but don't shorten the story. Perplexity is a free AI tool that will write a script by taking inspiration from another. Now copy the script and open Google Docs. This is where you can make any changes that you want, or you can just use the script as is. However, in this case, I have nothing to add, so I will convert this as is. For this tutorial, I will use Clipchamp's text-to-speech feature, which is the popular tool most Redditors use. For everyone's preference, you can choose any voice that suits your needs. Once you're satisfied with your preference, just click Save and Export at the top. I will only export in 480p. You will see why in a bit. Now, head over to the audio speed changer and speed up the voiceover from Clipchamp. This is to create the fast-paced voice effect that short stories have. I will play around with the speed until I get something similar, then simply save it and move on to the final step. Now, add your sped-up voiceover to your already composed clips. To keep viewers engaged, I will remove most of the dead air from this audio by trimming it out and pulling the segments together to create one single file. Just make sure to use the zoom feature to view the dead space up close. The final step is to add the snowfall background music and then adjust the volume accordingly. Just make sure the music doesn't overpower the voiceover. In this case, since the audio is longer than my 40-second clip, what I will do to encourage people to comment is add comment for part 2 at the end. This will give you the option to create 2 shorts. Now let's add some captions. Just make sure you highlight and create a compound file before generating the captions. CapCut offers many caption styles. Just choose the one you like, and always keep the captions in the middle. As for my custom-made watermark, I will add it to this short. I will show you in the next video how to create a custom-built watermark. Now that my 40-second short is complete, the only thing left is to upload it to my channel. I already have a fully monetized YouTube channel that I will upload this to. Thanks for watching.